The hands-on learning program at McClelland College is an opportunity for students to engage 1 day a week in an alternative learning environment. Obviously everyone learns differently. Our students are very tactile learners who love to do things practically, and we basically give them the opportunity to work on some amazing projects. They do rendering, they do building, they work outdoors in the community garden and mosaics, and depending on the needs of the student we vary those projects on a needs basis. The program gives the students the opportunity to prepare a meal together, which we sit down and we share a lunchtime meal and a morning recess meal together, which is a great opportunity to build respect, and they have a great respect for each other and working in teams, and we sit down as a family almost and share lunchtime together, which is a beautiful time and a very unique opportunity for the students.
It's also a great way for the students to come out of the classroom. They come down 1 day a week. There's 3 different groups, and because they're learning in a different way down here, it's a smaller group, so they get a little bit more one-on-one attention. And sometimes, you know, they just need to find their feet and where they belong. So by being part of a team down here and learning to do things in a different way, and they've learned to form friendships that they might normally not have out in the classroom or the schoolyard. So sometimes they'll come down here, be very quiet or be very loud, but they soon learn to fit in with the group.
And we'll endeavour to get the resources we need for the students to build something that matters to them and that they're really passionate about. So we have really happy students here, and they feel really connected to school because they're doing something that really matters to them. The outcomes for our students we find is a real connectedness to the school, and attendance is fantastic. So students who may struggle to get to class because they're not cut out for the classroom roll up at hands-on learning first thing in the morning, eager to go with a fantastic work ethic. These students build such resilience, they work together really, really well in a team and have a fantastic respect for each other. We don't have any problems with our team getting in, working together on teamwork. They get the opportunity to also work on individual projects. And I think just basically setting them up for you know, taking on leadership and mentoring roles for the younger students that come into the program really lifts the dynamics of the group, and I think gives the students something to really work towards, you know, long term.
And it's just really lovely to see how they blossom because they find their feet and their sense of belonging, their sense of ownership down here.